If you've ever wondered how to line up shapes perfectly in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to align objects in Tinkercad step by step, so your designs look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to work with. Whether you're making a simple project or building something more advanced, aligning objects correctly can save you time and make your model look much more accurate. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is select the objects you want to align. You can do this in two different ways. One option is to click and drag your mouse to create a selection box around the shapes you want. The other option is to hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click each object one by one. This is really useful when the objects are spread out or when you only want to select specific pieces of your design. Once your objects are selected, the next step is to activate the Align tool. You can find the Align icon on the top right toolbar in Tinkercad, or if you want a faster method, just press the L key on your keyboard. As soon as you activate it, you'll notice a series of black dots appear around the selected objects. These dots are the alignment handles, and they are what you'll use to position everything correctly. Now let's talk about what those dots actually do. The end dots let you move objects to the far left, right, front, back, top, or bottom edges. So if you want all your shapes lined up along one side, you would click one of the edge dots. The center dots work a little differently. These are used to align the centers of the objects along a specific axis, which is perfect when you want everything centered evenly. One of the best parts of the Align tool is the Preview feature. Before you click a dot, hover your mouse over it, and Tinkercad will show you a ghosted preview of where the objects will move. This is extremely helpful because it lets you see the result first, so you don't accidentally place things in the wrong spot. If the preview looks good, then click the dot to apply the alignment. If you want to align everything to one specific object instead of the middle of the whole group, Tinkercad makes that possible too. After activating the Align tool, click on one of the selected objects to make it the base object. That object will stay in place, and the other shapes will move to align with it. This is super useful when one object needs to stay fixed while the others adjust around it. For example, if you're aligning text, holes, or parts of a mechanical design, choosing a base object gives you much more control. You can keep one shape exactly where you want it and line the others up against it with precision. That kind of control can make a huge difference in your final design. So to quickly recap, select your objects first, open the Align tool, watch for the black alignment handles, use the end dots for edges, use the center dots for centered alignment, and click a specific object if you want to align everything to a base shape. It's a simple tool, but once you understand it, your Tinkercad workflow becomes much faster and easier. If this tutorial helped you learn how to align objects in Tinkercad, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.